Hey guys, this is the first tutorial of PTC Creo and we will learn the basics command of PTC Creo and first of all open a new file, click on new and click on sketch. Okay, after that we are in the main interface of Creo and first of all the first command is line. So select line chain, so we can make a line and we can easily draw any 2D object, and as you can see it's showing H means horizontal and it is showing now V means vertical. So take reference and draw a rectangle and now press the middle mouse button and press the middle mouse button again. So by double clicking it you can change the dimension and double click on it to change the dimension as per requirement. Now here's the circle and center and point. Click on the middle point and click on it and press the middle mouse button. So now we don't need two lines here, so click on delete segment and simply press on it or click the left button of mouse and move around the line that you don't require and double click on it and we created a rectangle and circle. So to delete it simply select it and delete. After that we are going to make again a line and we will create a rectangle and press the middle mouse button, press the middle mouse button again, and we can easily change the values of the rectangle by double clicking it and we need a circle in between three lines. So here's the circle and three tangent, first, second and third. So it automatically make a circle and we don't need dimensions or other things. So for example we need to change the angle of this line, so I'm going to delete the circle and click on normal and it is showing that you have to delete one of these dimensions, so we don't require this dimension for now. Click delete and we can easily change the angle, for example 45, and it changes the angle between two lines and for example click on tangent, first, second and third and press the middle mouse button, select all and click on delete. After that here's the rectangle command and we will easily create a rectangle, center rectangle and simply make a one and after that we can change the dimension by double clicking it, 5, 2.5. After that we are going to make two circles, first circle here and another circle is small dimension and for now I'm going to trim it, delete segment. For example we require a tangent line here, so what should I do for this purpose? Select line and here it is tangent line, so select circle and it will automatically draw a tangent line, and the line is selected. Select circle and it automatically select the tangent line. So you can easily see the difference between it is the simple line and it is tangent line, and it is on the angle. And now delete this, and to trim it select delete segment and delete it. To zoom in or zoom out, you can simply click on zoom in, and you can make a window to zoom in, and to zoom out you can click on zoom out. And to fit in the window you can click on refit. And another option is that you can simply scroll the mouse and scroll back to zoom in, and scroll to zoom out. And if you uh, made any mistake, so you can easily undo or redo. Control plus Z and Control plus Y are the short keys. So delete, and now we are going to make a center ellipse. For this purpose, click on center line and a vertical and horizontal center line, and after that click on center axis ellipse, and it requires center point and a 1 point, the distance and the height. Click the center mouse button and change the dimension as per requirement. And for example, we need another ellipse, and for this time we are going to make a axis and ellipse. For this we need just 2 points. For this type we don't need a center point, we just need 2 points. First point, click on this and click on a second point and give it a height 4.5, and 3 is good. So we learned simple commands in PTC Creo. So see you in the next video.